across Punjab and Chandigarh, bringing an end to the recent spell of widespread rainfall. As a result, temperatures and humidity levels have started rising once again, making weather conditions increasingly uncomfortable across the state. Well, according to the Chandigarh Meteorological Centre, a yellow alert has been issued for July 15. That is today, warning of hot and humid conditions at isolated places in Firozpur, Fazilka, Faridkot, Moga, Bathinda, Barnala and Mansa. While widespread rainfall is unlikely over the next few days, light to moderate showers are expected in Pathankot with isolated rainfall possible in Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Tarantaran, Hoshiarpur, Nawashahar, Firozpur, Fazilka, Faridkot, Muktsar, Bathinda, Roopnagar and Mohali. Over the past 24 hours, Punjab's maximum temperature has increased by around 0.15 degrees Celsius, bringing it closer to the seasonal average. Bathinda emerged as the hottest location in the state, recording a maximum temperature of 39.4 degrees Celsius, and Meteorological Department Director Dr. Surendra Pal said that the southwest monsoon is currently in a weak phase, reducing the chances of widespread rainfall across Punjab for the next 3 to 4 days. However, isolated thunderstorms and light showers may continue to occur in some areas. He explained that monsoon activity is presently concentrated over the Himalayan region, leading to the reduced rainfall across the plains of Punjab and Haryana. And as the temperatures gradually rise, high humidity will make conditions feel even more uncomfortable, although occasional rainfall in the hills may bring temporary relief to nearby plain areas. Well, the Weather Department has indicated that conditions are likely to change after July 19, when the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon is expected to become active again. Good rainfall is forecast across several parts of Punjab on July 20, 21 and 22, which could lower maximum temperatures by 4 to 5 degrees Celsius within 2 to 3 days, bringing much needed relief from the prevailing heat and humidity. The return of hot and humid weather has also led to a sharp rise in electricity demand across Punjab. And on Tuesday, that is yesterday, the state's peak power demand touched 14,948 megawatts, and Punjab's own power plants generated 5,926 megawatts, while the remaining 9,031 megawatts had to be sourced from the national power grid in order to meet consumer demand. During this period, the grid frequency was recorded at 49.93 Hz, with the state government purchasing additional electricity in order to maintain uninterrupted supply. Meanwhile, water levels at the Bhakra and Pong dams continue to remain comfortably below the danger levels. And according to the Bhakra Beas Management Board, the Bhakra dam's water level stood at 1,580.9 feet on the morning of July 14, with an inflow of 40,426 cusecs and an outflow of 26,146 cusecs. Meanwhile, at Pong Dam, the water level was recorded at 1,322.8 feet, receiving 21,812 cusecs of water while releasing 17,619 cusecs. And with the danger levels fixed at 1,680 feet for Bhakra and 1,390 feet for Pong, officials have clarified that there is currently no flood-like situation in the region. And across the nation, India is witnessing sharply contrasting weather conditions. While Punjab and several parts of northwestern India remain under a weak monsoon phase, the India Meteorological Department has forecast widespread rainfall that is accompanied by thunderstorms and strong winds across northern and eastern states. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over parts of West Bengal and Bihar during the next 2 to 3 days, while eastern and western UP are also likely to witness rain with thunderstorms and lightning. The IMD has issued weather alerts covering 18 states, with a red alert remaining in force for 6 districts of Himachal Pradesh and large parts of Uttarakhand, where continuous rainfall has already triggered landslides, flash floods and the road closures. Officials have urged people in vulnerable hilly areas to remain cautious as more rain is expected. Weather experts say dry winds originating from Pakistan have spread across the Arabian Sea, central India and parts of the southern India, temporarily pushing monsoon clouds away from the northern plains, including Delhi NCR, towards the Himalayan region. And this shift has reduced rainfall across several plain regions while increasing precipitation in the hill states. Well, the monsoon trough is also expected to remain close to its normal position, keeping rainfall subdued over the plains of northwest India, west central India and south peninsular India for the next 6 to 7 days. And in Rajasthan, light rainfall is likely over districts such as Bikaner, Sri Ganganagar, Hanumangarh and Churu, along with dust storms and strong winds in western parts of the state. Meanwhile, Delhi is expected to witness a maximum temperature of around 37 degrees Celsius and a minimum of about 27 degrees Celsius with strong surface winds during the daytime, but no significant change in temperatures over the coming week. Looking ahead, the IMD's monthly outlook suggests that rainfall across India during July 2026 is likely to remain below 94% of the long period average. And at the same time, above normal maximum and minimum temperatures are expected across most parts of the nation as a weak El Nino is projected to persist through the season while the Indian Ocean dipole remains neutral. Although the southwest monsoon has now covered the entire nation, weather systems developing over the northwest Bay of Bengal are expected to influence rainfall, mainly over eastern and northeastern India in the coming days, while much of the northwest India, including Punjab, is expected to wait a few more days before the next significant spell of monsoon rain arrives. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.